everybody. It's been a very long time since I have made a luxury related video. However, this quarantine and this whole COVID situation has really brought out the retail therapeutic obsession out of me, and I have no business purchasing this, but I could not help myself. I have been looking and searching and obsessing with this particular product, and I will be unboxing for you. So I went on Tracy, which is known to sell a lot of pre-owned luxury brands, and I've been eyeing this particular Pochette ever since it released, and I could not find it anywhere. And when I did, it was way over retail. And you know, Louis Vuitton has a habit of selling out their coveted items fast and in limited quantities, and it doesn't help because they increased their prices on their items again so far this year, and it's May. And a lot of enthusiasts like me, luxury enthusiasts like me, and those who've been saving to acquire some of these items, you know, it's kind of a blower. And you know, unfortunately, it's actually turning a lot of people off from the brand, and it's very understandable. I'm not even gonna lie, it kind of turned me off a little bit from the brand, because why would you increase the price during such a, you know, sensitive time and sensitive situation? You know, I always considered Louis Vuitton a quote-unquote working women's luxury brand. You know, it's one of those, I work hard for my money and I deserve a little bit luxury. That's what I think of when I think of Louis Vuitton. Chanel is like, okay, I've got it made, and Hermes is like, I was born into wealth. That's how I see those three brands. But anyways, it's neither here or there. Let's get to the unboxing. Excuse how loud this speaker is, but anyways. Aww, that is so nice. So this is my seller. She provided this note, and I appreciate her. I saw this pochette online, and the price is over retail, but I think it's a little bit reasonable considering the direction Louis Vuitton is going. Eventually it's going to get to that price anyway, so I mean, that's what happens when you really want something bad. Anyways, this is this is the receipt. Okay, and oh, it's so cute. So this is the micro pochette. I am in love. And I think you guys can tell that I have an obsession with micro and mini bags. I am in love. And yes, it feels like a jean. This is from the Denim collection. And it has the shiny gold hardware. And this is unused. And the lining is, I think, is it called microfiber? I'm not sure, but it feels kind of like suede, like that type of lining. And it comes with this hook right here. And if anybody who is a little bit novice to Louis Vuitton pochettes, like their entire family, all of them are known to have this little dip. This is how you can tell that it's most likely an authentic pochette. If it's straight and flat and perfect, it's most likely a counterfeit item. But this right here is the biggest telltale signs. It might bother some people, but it doesn't bother me. And here is the date code. I can't really see where it's at. Okay, it's SF0250. So it was manufactured in the 5th week of 2020. So this is it. And I have my other micro pochette that I want to compare it to. So this is my first micro pochette. This is from the Giant collection. And I got this quote unquote pre-loved, but it was in perfect condition at the time. And like its predecessor, they both have the shiny gold hardware. You can tell that this is more loved. I have been using this all year and I needed to give this a break. And they are relatively the same size. And at the time of this recording, it's May 2020. This denim pochette retails for $470. I purchased it for $599. Some of y'all may think I'm crazy, but I really wanted to add this in my collection. This was one of the few things from the denim collection that I wanted. I know the denim collection was very, very controversial because the patchwork was kind of tacky looking and kind of reminded us of the early 2000s VMA of Britney Spears and Justin Timberlake. It kind of reminded us of that type of style. And I did see some of the collection in person. I was drawn to it. It was actually cuter. And seeing this pochette was like right up my alley. I was like, okay, let me just get something from this collection. And when I saw this, I was like, yep, getting this one. And I couldn't find it. But now that I found it, it's in my possession. I am thoroughly happy and satisfied, and I can sleep at night. So the length is 4.33 inches. The height is 2.76 inches. And the width is 0.79 inches. And it has the red piping. It also comes with the logo right here. And the two, I forgot what this pattern is called. But it has the two patterns right here and one right here. And that's about it in terms of the features. It comes with a D-ring where you can attach to your purse and wear it as a bag charm, or you can attach a chain to it and turn it into a mini crossbody or belt bag. It's up to you. I wanted to also point out some key differences is that the tabs right here, this one is smaller and more angular, and look at the D-ring. This D-ring is larger than this ring right here. Also, unlike the old micro pochette, there is no tab right here. This has the print, the same black and white print as the piping over here, and this has no type of tab, but the tab is consistent with the piping over here. And as I was saying, all the pochettes have this little dip right here. As you can see, they all have that dip. That might annoy some people. It does not annoy me. It's just another way. Now let's see if it can fit in. It could. Yep. It pretty much swallows it. I'm probably going to use this a lot. I already know myself. But then again, I'm also scared that this will get dirty. But you can attach it like this and create your own micro version of the multi pochette accessoire. Wouldn't that be kind of cool? Do what fits. So I have a card case. Let's see if my YSL card case fit. Nope, it does not fit well. There's no way you'll be able to close it. We're going to pretend that this is your bank cards, credit cards, driver's license, whatever. And this is 24 cards. A lot of space. A lot of space. I have some coins in here that you can put in. I have random cash up in here that you can stuff in. So this could be a great bag stuffer. I have bobby pins and a hair tie that can go in here. I have a lip gloss. This is a mini lip gloss from MAC. Can it fit? Yep. So this will be like your essentials if you were going on a store run. All that can fit. And then if you wanted to attach your keys, your car keys, you can probably attach it to your hook right here. Or you can attach it to this right here. This D-ring right here. Or you can make it into a purse by adding a longer strap. Okay, so let's also be realistic. I doubt that most of us carry this much loyalty card, so let's just take a few. So we're gonna act like this is a driver's license, 2 to 3 bank cards, and probably a fake Metro card or something like that. So let's just say 4 cards can go in here. We're gonna keep our cash, our coins, our bobby pins. Maybe we can add a tiny baby lotion. Maybe a perfume. Or you can add the smaller size sample perfume. I think our lip gloss, is our lip gloss still in here? No. Let me add the lip gloss here. Safety pin, can never go wrong. And it still fits. All of it still fits. So it fits a lot of your knick-knacky type stuff. And that's the whole point. You know, it's not something as big as your mini pochettes that will fit everything you need, including a smaller size iPhone. I have the iPhone XS, which is about the equivalent size of the iPhone 11 or the 11 Pro, not the Max size or the plus size. If you have the pochette accessoire, you're most likely going to be able to fit in your larger phones, like the Pro Max. Okay, you guys, so I really hope this video was informative for you. I also hope you guys got a good idea of how you can incorporate these two pieces into your lifestyle and got a good understanding of what can fit. I'm really happy to have acquired both of the micro pochette that is currently available, but not available, but what Louis Vuitton has put out so far. I do wish that they had created a micro pochette during the Jungle collection. I would have lost my head, but it's okay. I take what I can get. I hope as my collection grows, I will be able to acquire more unique pieces and collections, even though we will have crazy price increases. But I really hope that I won't be as affected. You know, I was debating on whether or not I should record this, especially during this sensitive time. We are all struggling in some way, shape, or form. We are all hurting. I really hope that everybody's okay, they're safe, and my heart goes out to families affected severely by this situation. But on that note, I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe, take care of yourself, be healthy. And if you guys are interested in watching my other videos, please feel free to check them out. I'm sorry I'm not as consistent. My collection is not that big, but you know, as I grow and I acquire more pieces and whatever knowledge I have, I'll be happy to record when I have the time and share it to you guys. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.